Good morning, students. Welcome to online video classes. I am DK Chaudhary and I am going to teach you the lesson The Little Girl by Catherine Mansfield. At the very beginning, I would like to tell you something about the author. Kathleen Mansfield Murray was prominent New Zealand modernist short story writer and poet who was born and brought up in colonial New Zealand and wrote under the pen name of Catherine Mansfield. She was born on 14 October 1888 in Wellington, New Zealand and died on 9th January 1923 in Fontainebleau, France. She evolved a distinctive prose style with many overtones of poetry. Being a contemporary of James Joyce, Virginia Woolf, her stories had obvious influence of Anton Chekhov. Her delicate stories focused on psychological conflicts have an obliqueness of narration and subtlety of observation. She is considered as one of the best short story writers of all time. Her fiction, poetry, journals, and letters cover an array of subjects like difficulties and ambivalences of family, the fragility and vulnerability of relationships, complexities and insensitiveness of a rising middle class. Some of her popular stories are The Garden Party, A Dill Pickle, Mr. and Mrs. Dove, The Fly, A Cup of Tea, Prelude, Miss Brill, The Doll's House, etc. Now let me tell you something about the theme of this story. This story, titled The Little Girl, is about the relationship between a strict father and his daughter. Initially, the father is shown as a hard-working and strict disciplinarian, showing his anger when the daughter puts an obstacle in his work without knowing it. However, in the end, the girl's perception of her father changes when her mother gets sick and hospitalized, and her father takes utmost care and meticulous concern for her of her with love and sympathy. This lesson has two major characters involved in it. One is Kezia. She is the daughter who is very afraid of her father at the beginning. Kezia's perception changes at the end due to care taken by her father in her mother's absence. And second character is Kezia's father, a hard-working and strict disciplinarian, a person who could be feared and avoided, whose tender heart gets surfaced and revealed at the end of the story. Here are some of the words used in the lesson along with their meanings. Figure, a person. Casual, without feeling. Fainter, lesser in intensity. Slip, move noiselessly. Stutter, having difficulty in speaking. Wretched, miserable, in a bad condition. On the brink of means about to happen or commit. Stretched out, lying. Soundly means undisturbed. Snoring means making snoring sound while sleeping. Gravely means seriously. Kept indoors means not allowed to go outside the house. Pin cushion means a small pad for holding pins. Laboriously means with much time and effort. Wandered means walked aimlessly and casually in an anxious mood. Hue and cry means angry protest or commotion. This instant means immediately. Damned thing. Here it refers to the pincushion. Shadowed here means poorly lit. In other words, dark room. Flew to means appeared. Sorts means kind or types. Nightmare means frightening dream. Whispery means scary or anything that causes fear. Butcher, a person who kills animals for removing skin and flesh. Tucked up means covered up properly in the bed. Snuggled means moved to comfortable position. Nice hardness. In this story, it refers to good strictness. Now, I shall be dealing with the chapter highlights or the summary of the lesson. The little girl Kezia is very afraid of her father because of his hard and overbearing attitude. She stammers in his presence. Her grandmother encourages Kezia to know her parents better in their free time on Sundays. As part of this, she suggests Kezia to make a pincushion as a gift for her father on his birthday the following week. Kezia made the pincushion, filling it up with paper bits, tearing into small pieces some papers she found on her mother's bedroom table. That night, there was an uproar in the house because her father couldn't find paper on which he had written the speech to be delivered to the port authority the next day. Kezia had unknowingly torn it up and stuffed the pieces into the pin cushion. When her father came to know this, he punished Kezia by hitting her on her palms with a ruler. Kezia was jealous of MacDonald's family living next door because the father played with his children in his free time. She realized then that there was different kind of fathers. One day, when Kezia's mother fell ill and was hospitalized, the grandmother had to accompany her. This incident left Kezia at home with her father at night. Kezia had a nightmare while asleep. She woke up in night and found her father by her bedside. Her father, to her surprise, took Kezia to his room where his bed was there, to his bed, and made her comfortable and slept off as he was absolutely tired. Kezia at that moment realized that her father too had a heart and was lovable. She forgot all her pains and bitterness at heart. She at last realized and appreciated the strictness of her father, as his heart too was filled with kindness, care, and sympathy. Thank you.